Multiplication using the grid method. Now we're going to learn a modern method of multiplication. It is another way of multiplying 2 and 3 digit numbers on paper. This method is a bit different from long multiplication. In long multiplication you start with the units or ones first. In the grid method you start with the largest numbers. In the grid method we line up our numbers in a grid, breaking our numbers into tens and units or ones. If we are working out 43 multiplied by 26, we split our numbers into tens and units or ones. 43 becomes 40 and 3. 26 becomes 20 and 6. Now we have a square of numbers we can multiply within our grid. So the easiest way to multiply the tens is to multiply the first two numbers and then add 2 zeros. 40 times 20 is just 4 times 2 with 2 zeros added at the end, which makes 800. Then multiply 20 by 3 to get 60. Then multiply 40 by 6 to get 240, or 4 times 6 to get 24 and add a 0 at the end. And then 3 times 6 to get 18. Now all we do is add all the numbers together and record them in the right column of the grid. 800 plus 60 is 860. 240 plus 18 is 258. To get the total we then add the numbers in the right column downwards, starting with the units or ones. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 and 5 is 11. Carry the 1 to the hundreds column. 8 plus 2 plus the carried 1 is 11. So the answer is 1118. To solve the problem mentally, combine 800 and 200 to make 1000, 1000 plus 60 plus 50 to make 1110, plus 8 more to make 1118. 800 plus 200 plus 60 plus 50 plus 8 equals 1118.